Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to evaluate the indefinite integral below, which is the integral of the function x times sine x. Notice that it is very hard to use the method of substitution since there is no clear u substitution that we can make. So instead, we will use integration by parts. Before we apply integration by parts, I want to introduce an alternative formula that we can use. So we have that the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. Or we can also write it like this. The integral of f of x times g prime of x dx is equal to f of x times g of x minus the integral of f prime of x times g of x dx. In order to use the two formulas above, we need to let one function be u or f of x and the other function be dv or g prime of x. The function we choose to be dv should be a function that we can easily integrate, and the function we choose to be u should be a function that we can easily differentiate. And a simple mnemonic we can use to determine which u value to choose is elate. I L A T E, where I stands for inverse trigonometric functions such as arcsine, arccosine, and arctangent. L stands for logarithmic functions such as ln of x. A stands for algebraic functions such as x, x squared, or the square root of x, etc. T stands for trigonometric functions such as sine of x, cosine of x, and tangent of x, etc. And E stands for exponential functions such as e to the x, etc. So from this mnemonic, we will let u be whichever function comes first on this list. So in this case, for our function x times sine x, we can let u be equal to x and dv be equal to sine x dx. So this means that du is equal to dx and v is equal to the antiderivative of sine x, which is negative cosine of x. Since the derivative of negative cosine of x is sine x. And now we can plug these functions into the formula above. So the integral of x times sine of x dx is therefore equal to x times negative cosine of x, which is u times v, minus the integral of negative cosine of x times du, which in this case is equal to dx. So this is equal to negative x times cosine of x plus the integral of cosine of x dx. And this is equal to negative x times cosine of x plus the integral of cosine of x, which is sine of x, plus some constant c. And this gives us the antiderivative, or indefinite integral, of the function x times sine x using integration by parts. That's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.